Welcome back, everybody. Today it is GTA 5 episode with Cameron and Monster Truck. Today I am with my buddy Will, and today I am taking my Monster Truck that I have here, and I'm gonna see if I can land on top of a Monster Truck. My buddy Will just being a jerk and trying to see if he can lift his car. But today, ladies and gentlemen, me and my buddy Will be taking and doing a Monster Truck stunt. Let's see what happens. Yeah. And he almost landed up on the top of there. Now I will try to do this. Let's see how the fuck can I do. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And almost landed it. Alright guys, that's my GTA 5 video. Alright, I will see you guys later. Peace.